Hi everyone and welcome back to the Prime8 Kids channel. Today we're going to be learning about some small creatures that help feed the whole planet. Bees! Let's go! Bees may be small, but they do one of the most important jobs on Earth.
Every time a bee visits a flower, it carries tiny grains called pollen from one flower to another.
This helps plants grow fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds.
Without bees, we would have far less food to eat.
Many foods we love depend on pollinators like bees.
A bee colony is like a tiny super team.
The worker bees collect nectar and pollen.
The queen bee lays eggs.
And the drones help the colony grow.
Some bees visit thousands of flowers in a single day.
A single bee can fly up to 5 miles in one trip. Today, bees face some big challenges.
Some bees lose their homes when wild spaces disappear.
Chemicals used on plants can also harm them.
And climate change can make it harder for flowers to grow at the right time.
But the good news is, kids can help. Here are some simple ways anyone can help bees.
Plant bee-friendly flowers like lavender, sunflowers and daisies.
Leave a small dish of water outside with pebbles for the bees to land on.
Try not to pick every wildflower.
And if you have a garden, leave one little corner wild for nature.
Count how many bees you can spot this week. When we protect bees, we help forests, farms, flowers and people too.
Tiny actions can make a big difference.
And even small heroes can help save the planet.
What was your favourite bee fact? Why not email us yours using prime8kids@gmail.com. Don't forget to help the bees. Thanks for watching. Bye!